Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO Show with Mehmet. Today we will explore three different topics. The first one is how AI can be used to get us better results for handling remediation needs. The second article is about the 6 buzzwords we will hear this year in the cybersecurity space. And the last topic is about the challenges faced when implementing automation during digital transformation. Let's get started. How many times you saw an error message or a warning and you felt that the description and remediation advice you are getting are very broad and generic? The first article that I want to highlight today discusses how companies are using conversational AI technology, specifically something like GPT-3, to enhance their product capabilities, including in the space of cybersecurity. One example is from a company called Orchestration, which they have incorporated GPT-3 into their platforms to generate contextual and accurate remediation plans for security alerts. This approach allows the platform to take a security alert and pre-process the data, such as basic information about the risk and its contextual environment, and then feed the data to GPT-3. The AI then generates a detailed explanation to the best and most practical ways to mediate the issue. Other companies are trying to build similar capabilities as well. The article also mentioned that there are concerns about how generative AI chatbots like ChatGPT can be used maliciously, but the benefits of using GPT natural language generation capabilities outweigh these risks. Are you tired of vendors using the buzzwords like cyber resiliency and collective defense in their marketing efforts? Security professionals should be aware that 65% of organizations will increase cybersecurity spending in 2023 due to the constant need to improve defenses and the shortage of cybersecurity skills, as per the article that I would share the link from TechTarget. But don't be swayed by the buzzword. Instead, I highly advise to push the vendors for details, because always the devil is in the details, and ask them how their products fit in the bigger picture of cybersecurity. Because these cybersecurity buzzwords, we always hear about them. Something like, as I said, cyber resiliency. You will hear about XDR, NDR. You will hear about all the other buzzwords like passwordless authentication. You will hear about collective defense. So we need to get a real clarification on the details because, as I said, the devil is always in the details. Last thing I want to discuss today. Are you struggling to automate your processes from end to end? The article that I would share, also the description, discusses the challenges that organizations are facing with digital transformation and process automation. According to a survey of 755 global IT decision makers, more than 3 in 5 describe digital transformation as difficult to achieve, with integration issues being a top roadblock. The top reasons for process automation complexity includes the need to span multiple systems, challenge in dealing with human logic, and difficulty connecting to legacy systems. To overcome these challenges, the article advised organizations to tune their process orchestration, which coordinates with both automated and manual processes, with an organization connecting the automated and human tasks together, tracking progress across the process instance, and enabling open communication between players. I've seen this a lot of times. This is my comment on this. People think that starting a journey is very easy, but they don't do enough preparation. And the first step to do a proper and successful digital transformation lies inside the planning phase. It's not what technology you will implement. It's not which cloud you're going to migrate to. It's not which tools you will be using. It's all about planning, understanding your current situation, where you want to reach, and then at the end, you start to implement. And of course, these challenges like automating the processes, we need first to see if we can streamline the processes before we can digitize them. I hope you find this episode helpful. I'm always looking forward to hear your feedback. And thank you for listening. And we will catch up in the next episode. Thank you very much.